A jet of flame roared across the inside of the space station, like a blowtorch that would not go out. Months later, a cargo ship the size of a bus slammed into the same station, and the air began to leak away. This was life aboard Mir in the worst year of its long career. Mir was the Soviet Union's masterpiece, the first space station meant to be lived on for years at a time. Launched in 1986, it was built module by module into a sprawling outpost above the Earth. Welcome to Solar Hour, where we uncover the strangest, most dangerous, and most astonishing stories our solar system has to offer. By 1997, it had far outlived its planned lifespan, and the strain was starting to show. Systems failed regularly. Wiring frayed. The station was crowded, humid, and increasingly unreliable. That year, Mir hosted joint crews of Russian cosmonauts and American astronauts, learning to work together in orbit. To make oxygen, the station burned canisters called candles, which released breathable air as they burned. On the 24th of February, a crew member lit one of these candles, as had been done thousands of times. This time it malfunctioned, erupting into a fierce jet of flame and molten metal. The fire threw sparks across the module and filled the station with thick, choking smoke. Worse, it burned directly between the crew and one of their 2 escape capsules. With 6 people aboard and only one reachable lifeboat, not everyone could have gotten off in time. The crew grabbed fire extinguishers and masks and fought the blaze as it burned for around 14 minutes. Finally, the candle burned itself out. The fire was over, but the danger of that year was only beginning. 4 months later came the incident that nearly ended Mir for good. Mir was resupplied by uncrewed cargo ships called Progress, which docked automatically. To save money, controllers wanted to test docking one by hand, using a remote camera and manual controls. A cosmonaut steered the incoming Progress from inside the station, watching a grainy screen. But the cargo ship was heavier and faster than expected, and it did not slow down in time. The Progress struck a module called Spectre, tearing a solar panel and punching a hole in its hull. For the first time ever, a crewed spacecraft had been holed in orbit. The station's air began rushing out. The crew's ears popped as the pressure dropped. They had minutes to act before they would have to abandon Mir. The leak was coming from the damaged Spectre module, still connected to the rest of the station. To save Mir, they had to seal Spectre off, but its hatch was blocked by a tangle of cables running through it. The American astronaut Michael Foale and the crew tore and cut the cables by hand, racing the falling pressure. They forced a hatch into place, sealing the punctured module away from the rest of the station. The leak stopped. The crew had saved Mir, but at a cost. Spectre, now open to space, was lost for good. With it went nearly half of Mir's electrical power and much of the crew's scientific equipment. For weeks afterward, the crew nursed the crippled station back toward stability, module by module. Mir survived that terrible year and kept flying for another 4 before finally being retired in 2001. It had taught the world an essential lesson: how to keep human beings alive in space when everything goes wrong.